Alright, Corte Madera multi-pitch. We're wrapping in now. Should be about a 400-foot climb. I didn't want to film at the top just because there was another party and I wanted to be respectful. But now we're going to wrap in and it's going to be an awesome adventure. Alright, we made it to the base of the climb and I just belayed Keon up the first pitch. I'll be following him shortly and meeting him there. Sure is beautiful here though. Wow. We were all the way down by those trees not too long ago. Yeah, multi-pitch. So cool. Okay. Here, there, we climbed that. Yeah.